Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how you get money off stocks on Cash App. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. To cash out on your Cash App stocks, sell them on the mobile app, then transfer the money to your bank account. Here's how. Open the Cash App mobile app. Select the Money tab. Tap the Stocks option and select Stocks Owned. Find a company whose stocks you want to sell and tap Sell. Choose an amount. Select an amount from the available options or enter a custom amount. Confirm the transaction using your PIN. Receive the money. The amount earned will be deposited into your Cash App. This process takes up to 2 business days. Transfer to your bank account. Once you receive the money in your Cash App account, you can deposit it into your bank account. Open the Cash App mobile app and tap Money. Tap Cash Out and enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose a deposit speed, then confirm the transaction using your PIN. So there you have it. That's how you get money off stocks on Cash App. Thanks for watching. Until next time.